There are many ways water finds its way into an unprotected basement. When water builds up behind basement walls, it creates hydrostatic pressure. Over time, this pressure can force water to trickle inside your basement and wreak havoc on all your personal belongings, kind of like tiny leaks in a ship. Water usually comes in through the cold joint, which is the point where floors and walls meet. This pressure can severely compromise structural integrity over time. Initially, the pressure can cause horizontal cracks along the walls. These cracks are typically the first sign that the wall is failing under pressure. If left unchecked, you might start seeing stair-step cracks, especially if your walls are made of blocks or bricks. These cracks follow the mortar joints in a zigzag pattern, which is a sign that things are getting worse. If the pressure keeps up, the walls can start to bow inward. This bowing is a direct result of the ongoing stress and weakening of the wall's material. It's a major warning sign that structural failure could be on the horizon. Ultimately, if these issues are not addressed, the continuous pressure can lead to a complete collapse of the wall. This final stage poses severe safety risks and often results in substantial property damage. To mitigate hydrostatic pressure and prevent these stages of wall failure, several measures can be taken. Ensure proper drainage. Make sure that rainwater flows away from your home's perimeter through properly sloped grading. This reduces the amount of water that can accumulate against your basement walls. Maintain gutters and downspouts. Keep gutters clear and ensure downspouts discharge water at a safe distance from the foundation. This prevents water from pooling near the walls. Waterproof your basement. Install wall seals, an interior drainage system, and a sump pump. These solutions work together to catch groundwater and channel it away from the home, maintaining low hydrostatic pressure and keeping your basement dry. By understanding the stages of wall failure and taking proactive steps to control water flow around your home, you can preserve the structural integrity of your basement walls and prevent potential flooding.